Okay. Free up, puppies. 5.5 weeks old. I moved them up in the middle of my living room. Put some toys in here. Put a crate in here. They love that tunnel. It's actually a cat tunnel, but it's great for puppies. They're really good about going on their grate, so they're easy to maintain. Huh, guys? You got the one Portuguese singleton in here. He's right there with a long tail. He's gonna grow up thinking he's a Spanish, aren't ya? They also like playing on their poo grates. But as you can see, they're doing great. They weigh about 7 pounds now. Between 7 and 8 pounds. They've been wormed once. I'm going to worm them again today. And they're shots and microchipped at about 7.5 weeks old. And the moms go in there once a day. They go in once or twice a day. They don't want to stay in with them very long anymore. So they're eating really well. I usually send my puppies out on Taste of the Wild, but they're on From's Puppy just because that's what my adults are on, so it was more convenient. But if you can find Taste of the Wild, what I like about Taste of the Wild is that you can switch up the protein sources they're growing and give them variety, which is help possibly alleviate allergies when they're adults. And any of the Taste of the Wild formulas is fine. My battery's flashing. So this looks like it's going to be it for now. I'll try to do another video by Wednesday. And just a reminder, the 3 darker brown ones with the most brown are the boys. The rest of them are girls.